Hello, welcome to ETCA 1201 Introduction to CADD. My name is Eli Vestich and I will be your instructor for the semester. That's me right there in case you're ever on campus. And the little one is Scabbers and she's listening to me explain how to put threads on a 3D print generated plastic bolt. Very, very captivated. I'd like to walk you through the course site here and let you kind of know how things are going. This is your start here, and once you click that, of course, you will see this video, which will be uploaded when I'm finished with it. And you have your syllabus and the link to Solid Professor, which I'll talk about momentarily. This is the home page where basically everything is about announcements. Announcements are very important. I generate announcements to communicate with you, and you will get them through email. And so make sure that you have your email correct within Blackboard, which is part of your first instructions in this first announcement. Here we have notes and resources. You will see any references for information that we need for the course. Any readings that I might post for you will be here as well. Okay. Software. The software that we will use in this course is AutoCAD, the most recent version. And here is a link to where you can get your AutoCAD software. Let's get rid of that. And you have to make yourself an educational account, and you can get any AutoCAD software for free as a student. It's a license that lasts about a year. There's, if you're in any other engineering courses in the university, there's plastics, mold flow, there's Maya, there's all kinds of good stuff on here. You will have to verify that you're a student, usually with a picture of your student ID or a copy of a transcript. Let's see here. Discussion board. Part of your first assignment is to post on a discussion board in this getting started discussion thread where you will introduce yourself. And it's really good for everyone to interact in the course. There's a help Q&A form. If you have a question, you can't get a hold of me, post it here. I check it quite a bit. And I encourage other students to read this as well, because a lot of times students have answers, okay, that what worked for them and I may have never even considered. And lastly on here, we have a suggestion box. I have this set up for anonymous posting. I'm always looking for ways to improve the course and the delivery of my courses. So if there's something that you want to add, something you think I'm not doing so hot, or something you think I'm doing great, or whatever, please let me know. Okay, library resources. This is a link, of course, to Shawnee State University Library. Help. If you have problems with Blackboard, this can bring you to the Blackboard help page. And Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. When we have any sessions, any of the video chat sessions will be done through Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. It's pretty simple to use, and I'll have any sessions listed that, and what time they are and so forth. Everything is recorded. Everything is recorded, so you can always access it. Here are the assignments. When I give you an assignment, and this is just an example here, say we're doing assignment on, this is on drafting settings. Okay, so here there is learning LTIs, which this will launch you into the LTI, which is Solid Professor, which you have to get an account for. And this is going to go through all this business here because I'm not logged into this class, but I will show you what it looks like. And you'll pop into something like this, right? You have your classes, and so you're in the class and you're going to do that's the wrong one, classes. There we go. Okay, so you're going to do an introduction to AutoCAD and you'll watch a couple videos. Okay, videos pop up.
Hello, and welcome this
you can
course
turn on
is
your
to strengthen your foundation
you can turn on your
in AutoCAD and to help you work smarter, faster, and more
yeah,
efficiently.
you can turn on your
Learn how to create drawings with multiple layers, each
closed captions if you would like to read what they're saying. And when you're done watching the videos, you would take a review test. Okay, and you can copy yourself to an email address so you can get your results. Okay, and they're brief questions. Usually, there's one question per video that you watch. So in this particular test, there'll be 2 questions. These are count as quizzes towards your course. All right. So let's see here. Oh, and also there will be videos that I generate, and if you click on that, likewise, this brings you to a YouTube video.
Okay, so now we're going to do our metric
There's your
templates.
captions down here if you want to read that, and you can click on the link and go to YouTube directly if you want to have more control
Okay, so
over
now
it.
we're going to do our metric templates.
If you want to, make it bigger, make it full screen, or whatever you want to do. Okay, let's get back to assignment demos. What I often do is after I give the assignment, I will, and you guys take a stab at it, I will post demos as to how I approached the assignment. So, for example, different ones here. Dimensioning. Again, this is a YouTube video. And it's basically a screen capture of what I'm doing and how I approach the assignment. So I find that to be, most students find that to be very helpful. And of course, to go to your grades. All right. And that's it. Pop me an email if you have any further questions.